Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a Zoom conference call. Here's how to create a Zoom conference call. The first thing you need to do is to open your Zoom web app, or you can open the Zoom desktop app, which I have in here. Then on the home page, go ahead and click on new meeting to start an immediate conference call. But if you want to schedule the call for a later date, go ahead and click on schedule instead. Then follow the steps to set up the meeting for a specific date and time. Now, configure meeting settings if you are scheduling. Click on schedule, and in the scheduling window, go ahead and enter the details such as the meeting topic, the date, time, and duration. Choose video on for both host and participants if you want it to be a video conference, which is here. On for host, on for participant. Then for an audio only call, just leave the video settings off. In the audio section, select computer audio, all right, to allow all participants to join with either computer or phone. Then adjust the meeting options according to your preference. Enable waiting room if you want to control who enters the call. You can mute participants upon entry, and you can, of course, mute participants upon entry to minimize background noise when people join. You can record the meeting automatically as well. Once you're done, click on save to save the settings. After saving, you see a meeting invite link and meeting ID. Copy this information and share it with participants via email, messaging, or calendar invite. At the scheduled time, start the meeting by logging into your Zoom web app and clicking on meetings in the top navigation bar. Under the upcoming meeting section here, go ahead and click on find the conference call you scheduled and click start to begin the meeting. Now use the controls at the bottom of the screen to manage the conference call. You can mute your own audio or control participants' audio by clicking participants to manage each one individually. You can click chat to send messages to participants during the call. You can click on share screen to enable the share screen option. That's if you need to display content or presentations. You can click record if you didn't set it to record automatically but want to save the call. Now when the call is over, click end at the bottom right corner of the screen, then select end meeting for all to close the conference call for all participants. Conference calls on Zoom allow both audio only and video options, so you can customize the meeting based on your needs. Zoom conference calls support a large number of participants depending on your plan, so make sure your plan meets your capacity requirements. Now, these steps will guide you in creating and managing a Zoom conference call. Go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.